He was not in any book, nor on any grand stage. Yet people were drawn to his feats. He gave no formal sermons, no grand speeches, yet his silence transformed lives. His name was Neem Karoli Baba, a saint, a mystery. Baba used to say, serving others is the highest form of worship. For him, there was no rich or poor, no one high or low. If you help someone with pure love and selflessness, it's as if you are served God Himself. Baba would stay hungry himself, but he would ensure that every person who came to his ashram was fed. Service was at his heart of his life. Neem Karoli Baba used to say one thing in every situation. It's all Ram's will. It was a crisis or miracle, wealth or loss. He would smile and say, chant Ram's name, everything will be alright. There's much peace in that idea, isn't there? That whatever be happening is happening through God's will. Then what's there to fear? The greatest message of Baba's life was love. He said love is the strongest medicine. If you love someone with pure heart, that very love can lead you to the divine. No anger, no jealousy, no hatred. Just love. Unconditional, expectation free love. It was this very love of Neem Karoli Baba that drew people like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg and thousands of foreigners to the dust-filled paths of India. People often talk about the miracles of Neem Karoli Baba. He would heal someone without being asked or know people's need before they said a word. But Baba would say, I don't do anything. It's all wrong. The real miracle was his presence, and just sitting near him brought peace to the soul. And that was his greatest power, to awaken faith in your heart. Neem Karoli Baba said, as long as you hold on to I, you cannot find God. I did this happened to me, I want that. We stay trapped in these thoughts, and Baba would say, drop the ego, hold on to the love and devotion. That's a true path to liberation. Even though Neem Karoli Baba left his physical body, his love, his energy still surrounds every devoted heart. His message still echoes in the ear. Serve others, love deeply, chant Ram's name. Everything else will fall into place. If Baba's word touched your heart, then say Ram Ram once and share this video. And remember, Baba used to say, when you do for others, God does for you. Jai Neem Karoli Baba.